Geofencing allows you to create a virtual geographic boundary on the map. Using GPS, the system can trigger an alarm whenever a radio terminal enters or leaves that boundary. This gives operators an extra layer of control and security over their field resources. There are two main types of geofences you can create: polygon fences and line fences. To create a polygon fence, click the GeoFence Polygon button in the function panel. Once the button turns blue, you're ready to start. Left-click on the map to begin drawing, and right-click and hold to drag the map as you go. Draw any shape or polygon on the map, and when the ends meet to close the shape, a small window will appear asking for the geofence name. Enter a name, choose a color or shade if you'd like. Click Save or Cancel to return without saving. Once a polygon fence is created, it will appear in the fence list on your map. By default, that fence applies to all radios in the system and will trigger alarms if radios leave or are not within the fence, but you can customize how it behaves. To do that, select the fence profile in the fence window and click the Settings button. This opens the fence user window where you can fine-tune the function. For example, if you want the alarm to trigger when radios enter the fence instead of when they leave, simply check the box labeled Alarm when entering. You can also limit the fence to specific radios. To do this, first uncheck all user alarms. This will display the user list. Select the users you want by checking their boxes, then click the left arrow button to move them into the alarm user box. Now, the fence will only apply to those selected radios. When you're done, close the window to save your configuration. The second type is a line fence. Instead of enclosing an area, a line fence is simply a user-defined line across the map. Its function is straightforward. Whenever a radio terminal crosses that line in any direction, the dispatcher application will trigger an alarm. To create one, click the Line Fence button in the function panel. Again, once the button turns blue, you're ready to start. Left-click on the map to draw the line and right-click and hold to drag the map as you go. Once you're finished, click the Line Fence button again to save. A window will appear, asking you to name the line fence and optionally assign it a color or shade. Click Save or Cancel to return without saving. After creation, the line fence will also appear in the fence list. From there, you can configure it just like with polygon fences. Open the fence user window through the Settings button and choose which radios should be monitored. Note that the Alarm when entering option does not apply here, since the alarm triggers only when the line is crossed. Next, let's cover the map multi-select function. This is designed to help you select multiple radios directly on the map so you can quickly send them a voice message. There are two ways to do this: circle selection and polygon selection. For circle selection, click on the multiple selection button. Then, click and hold on the map and drag your mouse to create a shaded circle. Any radios inside that shaded area will be included in the selection. You may click the X button to remove a selected terminal. Once you've made your selection, click the PTT call button. All radios in that group will be added into a temporary dynamic group, allowing you to send a push-to-talk call to them all at once. Polygon selection works in a similar way, but gives you more control over the shape. Click the Polygon Selection button, then left-click to draw points on the map, and right-click and hold if you need to move the map while drawing. Once you close the shape, the Radio Selected window will appear, listing all the radios inside. Just like before, click the PTT call button to create a dynamic group and initiate PTT call. Finally, we have the Measure function. This is a simple but powerful tool for checking distances on the map. Just pick 2 points, and the system will show you the distance between them. You can also create connected lines between multiple points, and the system will automatically calculate the total distance as you go. This is especially helpful for estimating travel distances or verifying coverage areas.